हाँ ग्रोवर भाई. ओके. ओके फाइन फाइन. हाँ दीपिका मैम बोलिए कुछ. ओके. हाँ गौरव कुछ बोलना चाहते. हाँ हाँ सर. हाँ हाँ. ओके. I know everybody has a lot of questions. Thanks really, but मुझे I have to get back into the news part. अभी almost यहाँ पे 12 हो रहा है. मुझे कल सुबह भी उठना है और ऑफिस का काम भी करना है. So let me get back into the news part. Okay. Thank you JP sir. हाँ. Thank you very much. Sorry, I had to cut short, but I had to get into the news part. Okay. Today's date is August 17th in India, and the time in India is 9:25 a.m. So this is some of the news which I have. Okay. The sad state of consumer affairs in 2020 में आम आदमी पार्टी गवर्नमेंट दिल्ली के आम आदमी पार्टी गवर्नमेंट has actually issued notice to LG to appoint consumer affair में state consumer commission में officers को appoint करने को बोला था, fill vacancies in 24 places, but अभी भी वो vacancy हो नहीं पाया. So 16th आज माने yesterday 16th August 2023 में LG gave nod to the creation of 37 new posts in consumer commission to bring in more transparency. ये उन्होंने to bring in more transparency बोले, but actually really देखा जाए तो पिछले 22 पोजीशंस है वो अभी तक फिल नहीं. छत्तीसगढ़ इलेक्शंस में दिल्ली सीएम अरविंद केजरीवाल 19 अगस्त को आएंगे रायपुर. आम आदमी पार्टी नेता कार्यकर्ताओं को देंगे चुनावी मंत्र. फिर उसके बाद एमएलए राजेश ऋषि said that the condition of the flyovers on Pankha Road has become very dilapidated. The MCD has handed it over to PWD, but instead of repairing it, they painted and plastered it. MCD had handed it over to PWD in 2014-2015. For the first time in 9 years, it has happened that the gel board does not have money. Work is being stopped by the finance secretary. There is a case for the we the people to embrace a new constitution. अभी गवर्नमेंट सोच रही है कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में तब्दीलियां लेके आएंगे. We the people नाम की कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में जो भी प्रियम्बल जो भी होता है उसको हटाएंगे, उसके जगह पे दूसरा एक लगाने की कोशिश चला रही है. We the people is against the Indian ethos बोल रही है गवर्नमेंट. BJP received 3 times more donations via electoral bonds than all other parties combined. ADR ने बोला था recently. We have been given orders to contest in all Lok Sabha seats in Delhi. Congress leader Alka Lamba has said that. इसका कांग्रेस के कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं कि she is not the spokesperson to say that. उत्तराखंड पॉलिटिक्स में बीजेपी एमएलए from Lansdowne Dilip Rawat has alleged that all the bridges in the state are in danger due to illegal mining being done in an unscientific manner, it seems. Our proposal to Saurabh Bharadwaj ने बोला है कि our proposal to Uttar Pradesh was that we will give you treated water because you need it for the fields and instead you give us drinking water. But the day this file went to CM Yogi, he refused. The Hathni Kund barrage divides water for many states. The share of water that belongs to Himachal cannot be taken to Himachal even if it wants to because it is at a higher altitude. That water goes to Haryana. We signed an MOU with Himachal that we will buy your share of water. Himachal was ready, but Haryana refused that we will not give you a way to carry water, it seems. सौरभ भारद्वाज ने ये असेंबली में बोला है. इसके कारण 1500 crores का नुकसान हो रहा है गवर्नमेंट. पंजाब सीएम आस्क्ड मिनिस्टर्स टू विजिट फ्लड हिट एरियाज. रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशंस underway. Many areas in Hoshiarpur, Roopnagar and Gurdaspur districts inundated following the releases of excess water from Bhakra and Pung dams. फिर इसके बाद मिनिस्टर सौरभ भारद्वाज ने शेख सराय 2 में वंदे मातरम पार्क का किया शुभारंभ. Kejriwal government of Delhi has decided to end the impasse regarding the meeting of the National Capital Services Authority, Civil Services Authority. An order has been issued in this regard by Atishi, a cabinet minister in the Delhi government. The meeting of the National Capital Civil Services Authority will continue till the Supreme Court's decision on the Kejriwal government's petition regarding the Delhi Services Act will be acted upon. We have challenged this law in the Supreme Court. However, as long as the Services Act is a law in this country, we will respect the law so that the work of the people of the Delhi is not affected. Delhi LG's objections to two-day assembly session not correct. The deputy speaker said that the Saxena's observations are not correct since the assertion that the session that commenced on Wednesday was in continuance of the previous session convened in April. दिल्ली एक्साइज पॉलिसी केस में दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट ग्रांट्स बेल टू, ये पूरे शिद्दत से सुनिए, दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट ग्रांट्स बेल टू वाईएसआरसीपी, जिसने ऑर्डिनेंस बिल में सपोर्ट किया था गवर्नमेंट को, वाईएसआरसीपी एमपी सन राघव मागुंटा, ही इज हार्डली 20s में है वो बंदा, ऑन मेडिकल ग्राउंड्स उस बंदे को रिलीज मिल गया। ऑन August 20, दिल्ली चीफ मिनिस्टर एंड आम आदमी पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट चीफ Arvind Kejriwal will address two public meetings in Malwa and Vindhya area of Madhya Pradesh. Aam Aadmi Party protested at Dwarka Expressway over irregularities flagged by CAG report. Narayan Kuche, BJP MLA for Badnapur, Maharashtra village constituency in Jalna district, on Monday bagged Mumbai's most expensive flat at 7,97,94,268 in a lottery by Maharashtra Housing and Area Development Authority carpet area of 1,531 square feet. क्रिसेंट टावर टारडीओ में खरीदा उस बंदे। महाराष्ट्र में लॉयर सतीश उके who filed case against ex CM Fadnavis has been booked under MCOCA मौका। he's a lawyer, उसको मौका में इन लोगों ने अरेस्ट किया गया। टू एक्यूज फॉर द मर्डर, अभी रिसेंटली बीजेपी का एक लीडर अनुज चौधरी को मर्डर किया था, उसका मर्डर को एक एंगल देके मुस्लिम्स के कुछ घरों को तोड़ा था गवर्नमेंट ने। अभी गवर्नमेंट ने, पुलिस वालों ने इसको केस क्रैक किया। द टू एक्यूज फॉर द मर्डर्स ऑफ बीजेपी लीडर, पूरा 17 हाउसेस ऑफ मुस्लिम्स को तोड़ा है उत्तर प्रदेश में। सो उसके बाद अभी आफ्टर 2 वीक्स उसमें एक्यूज कौन निकला? बीजेपी के ही ब्लॉक चीफ संतोष देवी सन अंकित चौधरी and नीरज पाल, वो those are the people who killed Anuj Chaudhary it seems. Two accused for the murder of BJP leader Anuj Chaudhary was arrested in Moradabad. BJP leader and block chief Santosh Devi's son Ankit Chaudhary and Neeraj Pal were arrested. The three shooters who committed the murder were absconding. The block chief's husband Prabhakar Chaudhary and son Ankit Chaudhary conspired for the murder due to electoral enmity. And in the meanwhile, in the last 2 months, 17 houses have been demolished for this one. Using an Indian flag and Independence Day as an excuse, many people in Panipat, Haryana, right-wing goons tried to enter a masjid and create ruckus waving Bhagwa flag in the masjid. Another professor has quit Ashoka University. 3 departments are without any teachers in Ashoka University after the latest letter by one of the Ashoka University professor. Himachal Pradesh death toll has reached 71, 1,700 rescued as dam water floods Kangra. Everyone's gone. No use of Supreme Court order now. Madura local sensing. आप लोगों को पता होगा मदुरा में बहुत सारे घरों को डेमोलिश कर दिया था। डेमोलिश करने के बाद almost 260 houses have been demolished. Supreme Court अभी slowly बाहर आके the status quo should remain there बोला है। वहाँ पे लोग they were so angry that they are saying that Supreme Court is of no value for us now. Everything is gone. No use of Supreme Court order now. That's what they are saying. JEE aspirant hangs self in Kota. This is the 20th suicide this year. जो RPF डेटा ने जो 4 लोगों को मारा था वहां पे जयपुर मुंबई एक्सप्रेस में, he has been dismissed for the service. उसके ऊपर disciplinary action लिया गया है, बस उतना ही है। Those 4 people's life is of no value now. PM Vishwakarma Yojana gives cabinet nod craftsmen to get subsidized loans at 5% interest. The Union Cabinet on Wednesday approved the 13,000 crore Vishwakarma Yojana, an ambitious scheme to support those engaged in traditional skills. इसमें गवर्नमेंट बोल रही है कि ऑलमोस्ट 3 million वर्कर्स को इसमें फायदा होगा। 30 लाख ट्रेडिशनल वर्कर्स को इसके कारण बहुत फायदा होगा, ये गवर्नमेंट बोल रही है। Tribunal cuts 30% relief to accident victim as he was riding sans helmet. Around 10,000 new electric buses will ply across country under PM E-Bus Seva, Anurag Thakur ने बोला है। Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra Ajit Pawar along with State Minister Dilip Vasle Patil and Hassan Musharraf visits former minister Nawab Malik to inquire about his health. Nawab Malik को ED ने पकड़ा था. अभी वो that part of the NCP has now joined the government and has joined BJP. So इसीलिए उसको रिलीज कर दिया ED ने. So Nawab Malik के घर गए थे to inquire about his health. A 16-year boy accompanied by a girl 17 was allegedly assaulted by a group of individuals amidst chants of Jai Shri Ram at Bandra railway station terminus in Mumbai. But they said that they are alleging that the kidnap, but the girl said that there is no kidnap here. SC launches handbook on gender unjust terms, street sexual harassment to replace eve teasing, sex worker in place of prostitute. These are some terms का differences लेके आए. 40% rain deficit in August pushes Bengaluru's temperature up. Bank officer booked for installing spy camera in women's washroom in Jamnagar. An officer of a branch of Nationalized Bank in Jamnagar was booked for allegedly installing a hidden camera in women's restroom. Malaria cases rises 40% in Mumbai in 1 year. Dengue cases up 8-fold, but there's a catch. Due to a significant change in reporting methods, this season might have finally revealed the true extent of Mumbai's monsoon related illness. So out of 57,613 crores, 20,000 crores will be provided by the central government. The scheme will cover cities with 3 lakhs and above population. Under the scheme, city bus operations with 10,000 e-buses on public private partnership model will be done. आप लोगों को ये फिगर्स याद रखनी चाहिए. 57,613 crores का है ये पूरा स्कीम. इसमें 20,000 crores ही सेंटर देगा, बाकी का पूरा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट खर्च करेगी. A total of 69,523 grievances were addressed by the states and union territories in July 2023. The pendency of grievances of the states and union territories received on centralized public grievance rehearsal and monitoring system portal has reduced to 1,79,077 grievances across states and union territory governments. Ministry of Personnel ने बोला है. Center will intensify efforts to control inflation. TV Somnathan, Finance Secretary ने बोला है. Fed officials divided in July over need for more rate hikes. Minutes of meeting ये बताया गया. Monsoon foray brings financial loss for Himachal Pradesh apple growers. India में अभी apple ईरान से आ रहा है most of them. Rampant unscientific building caused Himachal's disaster, says CM Sukhu. So जो RPF constable जिसको sack किया गया, he was actually faced a probe on another hate case 6 years ago, but उसको hate case को लफा दफा कर दिया and उसको RPF दाखिले कर दिया and he has now killed 4 people. President approves Assam delimitation order. CM Hemanta welcomes that. President suspends IPS officer who misbehaved with women at Goa Beach Club. Check illegal blending to protect Darjeeling tea. CAG to tea board बोल रही है. BJP discusses strategy for tough seats in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Special focus to turn things around शुरू होगा. Punjab minister promises new bus service for Mohali. 13.5 crore Indians are still in very poor situation. PM Modi said that they are lifted out of the poverty, but in actuality they were not lifted because the poor terms that PM Modi has been using were not actually the scientific ones. अगर देखा जाए तो PM Modi has carried out that the poor in India in the rural area are anybody who is earning more than 35 rupees per day and in urban area about 46 rupees. This data has been kept for a long time. फिर इसके बाद illegal constructions near Janmashtami, Krishna Janmashtami, Supreme Court order status quo on demolition drive in Madura. Already मैंने बोल दिया. CBI deputes 53 including 2 DIG rank women officers to probe Manipur violence. Sources say Minister Punjab Anmol Gaganman hands over financial assistance of 4 lakhs to each of the families of drowned persons. Panchayat's dissolution by Punjab government under judicial scanner. Pathankot land scam, auction panchayat land for illegal mining, saying Chief Secretary. NCRCP moves Supreme Court against bail for Archbishop and nun in Maharashtra conversion of children case. Delhi High Court observes items did not fall into the category of pre-packaged commodity to which the rules apply and are sold as loose articles, and the consumers are free to try and inspect the same. reviewing India's progress in drinking water and sanitation, electricity, access to institutional credit, per thousand distribution of households with exclusive access to distribution of water. इंडिया में अभी as of now 2018 की बात कर रहे हैं मैं, सॉरी 2021 की बात कर रहा हूँ. 2021 में रूरल में 486 people per thousand, only 486 people have exclusive access to drinking water. अर्बन में 576 people. 30% of rural India still do not have access to sanitation facilities, in contrast to 4% of urban India. फिर इसके बाद परसेंटेज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ हाउस होल्ड्स विद नो एक्सेस टू लेटरिन, ये 28.7% है 2021 में. गवर्नमेंट ने बोला है कि ये कंप्लीट स्वच्छ भारत हो गया, बट इन एक्चुअलिटी 2021 में 28.7% ऑफ रूरल इंडिया एंड 3.8% ऑफ अर्बन इंडिया में अभी भी एक्सेस नहीं है. More than 90% of the households in rural and urban area are electrified, it seems. रूरल एरिया में ये 93.9% है एंड अर्बन एरिया में 99.9%. ये सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का डेटा है. Percentage distribution of outstanding total debt of households by credit agencies is 66% in rural areas and 87% in अर्बन एरिया. ये इंस्टीट्यूशनल है. नॉन इंस्टीट्यूशनल में अगर देखा जाए तो रूरल एरिया में 13% है डेप्ट एंड 34% है डेप्ट रूरल एरियाज में. अर्बन एरियाज में 13% है. Woman coach who accused Haryana Minister Sandeep Singh of sexual harassment has been now suspended. उसको निकाल दिया, फेंक दिया बाहर. Judge Justice Muralidhar had an unflinching courage and the Supreme Court setback didn't deter him. Supreme Court ने उनको Supreme Court में उनको जज बना के लेके आना चाहती थी सुप्रीम कोर्ट के अंदर, बट कोलिजियम में उस बंदे को लेके आ नहीं पाए. बट स्टिल Justice Muralidhar has done beautiful contributions to the uphold law into for इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली साइंटिफिकली बहुत सारे चेंजेस लेके आए थे उड़ीसा की हाईकोर्ट में, and those will now be implemented according to D.Y. Chandrachud. Those all will be implemented now into the Supreme Court. Indian gymnastess Deepa Karmakar has taken to social media to slap the Sports Authority of India and the Sports Ministry for their deafening silence, which includes not giving reasons behind her exclusion from the upcoming Guangzhou Asian Games. Maharashtra Cooperative Sugar Mills Mull paying more to farmers as tax demand settles. Naga MLAs of Manipur are spineless, NSCN-IM ने बोला है. Union Cabinet approves the expansion of Digital India program, allocating a total fund of rupees 14,903 crores. On an average, an Indian is spending 193 minutes daily on social media platforms, according to a report. The jute industry revenue could fall 5 to 6% in financial year 24 as weak overseas demand squeezes exports. ADA approves 40.5 million loan for integrated early childhood development and maternal mental health program in Meghalaya. Ahmedabad is the most affordable city in India according to the affordability index released by real estate consultancy Knight Frank. Government planning to sell a part of its holding in Indian Railways now. Indian Railways financial crop through OFS. CCEA economic acquisition में government का approve 7 multi-tracking projects to increase railway network. Amid 3 billion cups of coffee or about 3 billion cups of coffee are drank around the world every day, a number expected to double by 2050. If current trend continues, coffee consumption will be the next big thing, it seems. Agricultural exports have dipped by 14% in the quarter financial year 24. Government ने ये बोला है. Medicines, doctors, hospitalizations, health insurance, medical tests and health enhancement services. इसमें कितना government on an average monthly household expenditure on health in November 2022 by income group अगर देखा जाए less than Indian. So अगर जो भी बंदा जो भी families is earning less than 8,000 rupees, if they are earning less than 8,000 rupees, they are spending on an average every day total almost 260 rupees खर्च कर रहे हैं on health, it seems, on an average. and whose income groups between rupees 8,000 to 15,000, they are spending 290 rupees every. इसमें अर्बन एंड रूरल की मैं आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट, कंप्लीट टोटल बता रहा हूँ मैं। अर्बन में ज्यादा है, 400 के आसपास, 390 के आसपास जा रहा है, एंड रूरल में ऑलमोस्ट 260 के आसपास है। ऑन एन एवरेज 320 के आसपास पीपल हु आर अर्निंग रुपीज 8,000 टू 15,000 जो भी इनकम ग्रुप के अंदर आ रहे हैं। The people who are earning 15,000 to 40,000, they are spending a total of on an average 410 rupees per day. फिर उसके बाद द पीपल हु आर स्पेंडिंग मोर देन 40,000 टू 80,000 के बीच में जो भी स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, दे आर स्पेंडिंग ऑलमोस्ट 590 रुपीज पर डे। फिर उसके बाद द पीपल हु आर स्पेंडिंग हु आर अर्निंग रुपीज मोर देन 80,000, they are spending a total of 800 rupees every day on their medical health insurance. Indian judicial data hides more than it reveals in bail cases. The total number of bail appeals filed in Indian High Court surged past 2020, according to the High Court dashboard by Daksh, a think tank focused on law and justice system reforms. Bail appeals went up from 3.2 lakh to 3.5 lakh each year before 2020 to 4.3 lakh thereafter. 4.3 lakh bail applications are there in high courts in India. It's 2022 की डेटा है। Consequently, the pending bail appeals in high courts also surged from about 50,000 to 65,000 to between 1.3 lakh in 2023. Sorry, 2022 नवंबर तक की बात कर रहा हूँ। The data follow a July to June circle. For instance, between July 2021 to June 2022, 4.3 lakh bail appeals were filed in high courts. One possible reason could be the sharp increase in cases related to the flouting of COVID-19 related lockdown norms. The chart shows the bail applications. In bail applications में कितने cases actually खत्म हो रहे? If you look into it, the exact reason cannot be ascertained from the court data, but it seems सबसे ज्यादा bail applications को फाइल जो हो रहा है between July 2021 and June 2022, झारखंड में almost 80 झारखंड में 72.89% बेल एप्लीकेशंस हुए थे। फिर उसके बाद पटना, बिहार, फिर उसके बाद मध्य प्रदेश, गुवाहाटी, देन छत्तीसगढ़, गुजरात, उड़ीसा, उत्तर प्रदेश, राजस्थान एंड कलकत्ता। Now let's look into the bail applications that are being processed अगर देखा जाए, for example, across all high courts, Daksh analyzed 27,896 bail cases that were filed between 2010 and 2022. Each high court follows a unique naming pattern for bail cases. अगर देखा जाए इंडिया में only 22% of the bail cases that were filed in a year are actually disposed of. Highest number of bail applications were disposed in Jammu and Kashmir, next highest in Orissa, next in Mumbai, next in Jharkhand, next in Uttarakhand, next in Rajasthan, Guwahati, Kolkata. Share of cases where bail was granted and rejected अगर देखा जाए तो सबसे कम शेयर जो बेल केसेस को रिजेक्ट या ग्रांट किया गया, माने उसके अंदर काम हुआ है, वो है मुंबई में 4.57 केसेस का ही कुछ सुनवाई हुए है बेल केसेस में। 95.43 केसेस में कोई अनक्लियर, द आउटकम वाज अनक्लियर एंड नो आउटकम वाज गिवन, ये मुंबई का है। फिर उसके बाद मेघालय में 4.57 वंस मोर, गुवाहाटी में 8.298, कोलकाता में 10.13, सिक्किम में 11.54, ओडिशा में 13.68, केरला 16.59, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर 18.1, Rajasthan 24.36, Tripura 26.5. On an average, as I have said, 22% ही bail cases में outcome हो रहे हैं. The remaining whatever percent of 78% अभी भी cases में कोई भी outcome नहीं। फिर इसके बाद in India, it seems that less than half of the urban consumers are pessimistic about the economy. For the first time since the onset of COVID-19, the share of urban consumers who are pessimistic about the Indian economy declined to below 50% according to the bi-monthly RBI survey. When asked to comment on their current perception of the economy, 48.9% said it has worsened, the lowest share since pandemic outbreak. ये गवर्नमेंट ने आरबीआई ने 6089 रेस्पोंडेंट्स को क्वेश्चन किया है. इट हैज रीच्ड ए पीक ऑफ 80 it has reached a peak of 82% just 1 year back. 1 year back तक इन्होंने ये reach. Next, okay. So inflation in numbers के बारे में अगर बात करें, during the 2022 period, India faced a significant increase in inflation. Retail inflation remained above the upper limit of the inflation target for several months between January and October 2022. अगर inflation के बारे में अगर देखा जाए तो India is now the fourth largest country which is having inflationary problems. हाईएस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ इन्फ्लेशन यूके में है, फिर इसके बाद सेकंड हाईएस्ट यूरोजोन में है, फिर इसके बाद थर्ड हाईएस्ट है चाइना में है, फोर्थ हाईएस्ट ब्राजील है. सॉरी, इंडिया इज इन फिफ्थ प्लेस. या एक्चुअली ब्राजील एंड इंडिया ऑलमोस्ट ऑन द सेम पोजीशंस पे है. ब्राजील और इंडिया, एंड सबसे चाइना इज आल्सो लेसर देन इंडिया. नाउ इन्फ्लेशन में डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स की बात करते हैं. इन्फ्लेशन में अगर डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स की बात करेंगे तो फ्यूल एंड लाइट इन्फ्लेशन जो भी होता है वो इंडिया में 45.9% इज इन्फ्लेशन में काम होता है. वो इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा इट सीम्स. एंड फिर इसके बाद सेकंड है फूड रिलेटेड इन्फ्लुएंस. फूड एंड बेवरेजेस रिलेटेड इन्फ्लुएंस ऑलमोस्ट 10 के आसपास, 10 एंड 11 के बीच में है. ये फूड एंड 11 के पास है. Now, next here, retired men in cities have most financial literacy in India, it seems. आरबीआई की जुलाई 2023 की बुलेटिन के हिसाब से retired men, especially those living in urban areas, have the most financial literacy among various comparable cohorts, it seems. In contrast, daily workers and laborers between age 20 and 29 who are educated up to class 12 have the lowest level of financial literacy. The financial literacy survey was conducted over 45 days, and it has took 584 responses between February 26 and April 14, 2022 at an exhibition conducted by RBI in Hyderabad. इसमें ये पता चला है कि out of every 4 married men, older men have got good financial knowledge, it seems. And married people have good financial behavior also when compared to single people. Age wise भी अगर देखा जाए तो age group between 50 to 59 have got the best financial knowledge, it seems. And सबसे best है retired people, उसके बाद salaried people, उसके बाद है daily worker, and then self-employed, it seems. And graduate and post graduate दोनों में same amount of information है. So this is the news.